Hello friends, welcome back to another tutorial in Sketchup. I am architect Sonorai from Glide Studio, and in this today video tutorial I am going to teach you about line tool and freehand tool use in Sketchup. So line tool is situated here, which is the symbol of a pencil, and this is the symbol of freehand line tool. So I am going to first select this line, or you can just type L on your keyboard and line tool will appear. It's like a pencil like thing. So we are ready to draw our line. So you can see this is the length where you can enter your line tool, and here it is the information about your line tool. And I have already told you can also refer this one, and you can tell you how you can uh, refer your tools, and some tutorials and hints are given here. So this is telling that is draw edges or line entities. So now I am going to first click here on towards this green line, and if I am moving towards green line, it is showing green. If I am moving towards red, it's showing red. If you are going towards Z axis, it is showing Z. So blue line represents that it is parallel to this line. Green line represents it is parallel to green line, and red resembles that it is parallel to red line here. So if you move slightly inwards or outwards, it will become black. So now as soon as you will hit escape, you are out of that command. Again you can select. So you can first create your point by left mouse click. So I am going to use left mouse click, and we are ready to draw our line here. So I am going to towards green line, and you can see this length is changing. So if you want, suppose you are drawing some walls or anything shapes. So I want at 10 feet, so I'm going to enter just 10 feet. You are not go here and type, you are just type on your keyboard. If you will type, and line will be drawn to till 10 feet. So again I am moving towards X. You can see this red line, similar that this line is parallel to this line, and if you move slightly inwards or outwards, it will become black. So it is very easy to draw line in SketchUp. And now I am again going to 15 feet here, and you can see we are 15 feet here, and you can see this green dot line that we are ready to draw another line. So I am going to, suppose I am going to 9 inch here. I am going to type 9 inch, and I will show you how you can draw walls. And again you can move from here, and I'm going to enter 9 inch, and our this shape is created. It's like a 2D plan, or you can say a wall. So you can, after that you can use this push pull, and you will bring push pull tool here, and you will try to select this wall, and you can simply lift this up. You can extrude like in other software, and in SketchUp it's very easy, and can draw a wall. Suppose I am going to enter 10 feet here, 10 feet, and you can draw this wall 10 feet. Again, if you want to draw something, you want to create any shapes, you just use this line tool here. This is just to make you familiar, and this shape is created. And if you want to extrude this, you can use this push pull, and you can extrude this thing. So you can create very creative shapes using this line tool, and it's very easy than other softwares. So you can create any interesting shapes, or as per your design. You can use this tool, pencil tool, and you can use push pull tool later to create shapes. So slowly you can start practicing this line tool, and you will become familiar with this tool, and it is very widely used in SketchUp. And this one is a freehand tool, and it is used for drawing freehand shapes. So this is also sometimes useful where irregular shapes are needed to be drawn, or you are required to draw some interesting shapes. So you can use this freehand tool. You can click and you can draw any shapes like any terrain where you want to show something irregular, or you want to show some land or any creative shapes you can use. Suppose if you want to draw any human shapes or head, you can use this tool also. I will show you. So you can use to extrude this. Now you can draw many other shapes using this tool. You can draw any arc shape or irregular shape or zigzag shape, and you can use later on push pull tool. And this is also handy if you want to draw some landscape area and if you want to require to show some freehand shapes, you can use this tool. So this was the tutorial for today's session. In the next session I will come with some more basic commands in SketchUp. So thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks.